You may want to stay off 24 road tomorrow if you can. Part of it will be closed off during the morning. 24 road will be closed between H and I roads, so crews can remove a small bridge just south of I road. Workers will be building a new one over the canal, as well as updating some of the irrigation in that area. There will also be some reconstruction at the 24 and I road intersection to make visibility better for drivers. Accommodations will be made for local traffic and residents who live in that work area.